Good morning student. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to turn on class 7 subject math exercise 1.3. First of all, today we will get about multiplication of integer. So let us see about multiplication of integer. Rules of multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. First rules of multiplication of integer. First rule is while multiplying two integers having the same sign, the product of numbers will positive sign. For example, 6 and 7. 6 is positive and 7 is also positive. Then its multiply equal to 42. 42 is always positive. Okay, it means multiplying two integers having the same sign, the product of the number will be positive. Now the second example, -8 and -9. -8 into -9, 72. Both the integers has negative sign, but the product will be positive. Okay. Now the second rule, while multiplying two integers having the opposite sign, the product of the number will have negative sign. How? For example, second rule, is -10 and +12. The integers have opposite sign, it is negative and it is positive. So the product 10 into 12 equal to 120 will have negative sign, because minus plus is minus. Another example, 13 and -9. So the product is 117. Product will have negative sign. Okay, it means when multiplying two integers having the opposite sign, this is negative and this is positive, the product of the number will have negative sign. Clear? Now the third rule, is if series of integers are to be multiplied, we count the number of negative sign. फर्स्ट इसमें कंडीशन है, देखिए थर्ड रूल है आपका, इफ सीरीज ऑफ integers are to be multiplied, we count the number of negative sign. First, if it is odd, the product will be negative. First condition. If it is odd, the product will be negative. Will be negative. And if it is even, the product will be positive. Second condition. If it is even, the product will be positive. For example, if -2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 and minus 6. Here number of negative integer is k. 8, 2, 1, 2, 3. It means 3. Here number of negative integer is 3. 3 is odd, so the product will be क्या हो जाएगा? Negative sign. ओके, देखिए प्रोडक्ट करिए. -2 इंटू 3 इंटू -4 इंटू 5 इंटू -6 इक्वल टू -7 20. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, it means, so the product will be negative. Now the next example. Seven, 8, 9, 10 and -11. Here number of negative integer is 1, 2. 2 is even, so the product will have positive sign. 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 into -11 equal to 5, 5, 4, 4, 0. Clear है? If number of negative integer is even, then product will be positive, and if number of negative integer is odd, then product will be negative. Now we are going to discuss about properties of multiplication of integer. So first property, is closure property. Closure properties when an integer is multiplied to another integer, we always get the product as an integer. For example, if 5 is an integer and 6 is an integer, it's multiplied 5 and 6, it is also a integer. hence integers are closed under multiplication. Now the second property is commutative property. Commutative property is what? Order does not matter in multiplication of integer. It means, for example, 9 into 10 equal to 90 and 10 into 9 equal to 90. It means order does not depend. 9 is here, 10 is here, या 10 is इधर and 9. इसका मतलब ये है कि कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी में ऑर्डर की आपका मैटर नहीं करता है. अगर आप 9 यहाँ रखते हैं, 10 यहाँ रखते हैं तो भी 90 आएगा, और 10 यहाँ रखते हैं, 9 यहाँ रखते हैं तो भी आपका 90 ही आएगा. मतलब जो वैल्यू आएगी वो क्या आएगी? सेम आएगी. हैंस इंटीजर आर कम्यूटेटिव अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. Third property is associative property. In multiplication of integer, when group is changed, the result does not change according to associative property. For example, 2 into 3 into 4 equal 24. And 2 into 4 into 3 equal 24. 3 into 2 into 4 equal 24. It means group is changed, the result does not change. Okay. Hence integer have the associative property under multiplication. Now the fourth property, multiplication identity. Multiplication identity. When an integer is multiplied by 1, the product in the same number is known as multiplication identity. For example, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. Minus 5 into 1 equal minus 5. It means integer is multiplied by 1, the product is the same number. The product is the same number. 1 is called the multiplicative identity of integer. Now the fifth property, distributive property. According to distributive properties, multiplication disturbs over addition. It means, for example, 5 into 8 plus 2 equal 5 into 8 plus 5 into 2. Then 8 5 ja 40, 5 2 ja 10, 40 plus 10 equal 50. Okay. Hence integer have distributive property under multiplication. Now the next property, properties of 0. Property of 0. What is property of 0? When any integer is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. For example, 20 is multiplied 0 equal to 0. If minus 60 is multiplied by 0 equal to 0. It means when any integer is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Okay, I hope all properties are clear. Now we are going to exercise. So let's see the first question of your exercise 1.3. First question is, write true or false for the following statement. First, the closure property of integer in multiplication does not hold good. Closure property आपका multiplication hold कर रहा था. It means condition is false. Next, integer are commutative for multiplication. So this statement is true. Next, integers do not possess the associative properties of multiplication. This is also false condition. And D1 is the multiplicative identity of integer. This is true. Next, when any integer is multiplied by 0, the product is not always 0. This is false. Second, find the product of question number first, 25 into minus 15. What will be the product of 25 into minus 15? Be 75, and minus is also, because plus minus is minus. Now the next part, 320 into minus 5, we get the multiply 1600, and this is positive because minus minus plus. Now the third part. into 12 we get 360, and it is positive because this integer is positive and this integer is positive. This is also positive. Now the next question, question number 3. What is the property we follow to prove? We know that question number first, 15 into minus 15 equal minus 15 into 15. This is a commutative property. Order does not matter in multiplication of integer. This is a commutative property because order does not matter. Here is 15 minus 15 minus 15 into 15. The result will be same. This is commutative property. Commutative. Now the next part. Eight into 6 into minus 5 into 8 into 6. This is associative property because when group is changed, the result does not change. Group is changed, but result is not changed. So this is a associative property. And third, 8 bracket 8 plus 2 equal 8 into 8 plus 8 into 2. What's property? So this is a distributive property. Okay. Now the question number 4. Give reason and why. Product of is positive. Product of minus 5 into 6 into minus 7 into 8 is positive. ये आपको बताना है क्यों पॉजिटिव है. गिव रीजन एंड वाई. आपने इसके पहले इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ा, वहाँ पर आपने ये भी पढ़ा था, इफ सीरीज ऑफ द इंटीजर आर टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड वी काउंट द नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव साइन, इफ द ऑड द प्रोडक्ट विल बी नेगेटिव, इफ इट इज इवन द प्रोडक्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव। यहाँ पर आप नंबर ऑफ इंटीजर्स देख रहे हैं, नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, हाउ मैनी नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, देयर आर 2 नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स 1 and 2, and condition will be if it is even the product will be positive. Okay, so hence the number of negative integer is 2 and 2 is even, so the product will be have positive sign. Here number of negative integers is 2 and 2 is even, 2 is even, so the product will have positive sign. Okay, now the next part is homework. Question number 5, find the sign of product of the following. Find the sign of the product of the following. Of the following, first a positive integer, is multiplied by another positive integer देखिए आपके पास क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द साइन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अनदर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. ओके, इफ 2, let us suppose that 2 and 3, this is a positive integer and another is also a positive integer, then multiply will be 6 and 6 is a positive integer. Okay, so answer will be positive. Now the next question आपका बोल रहा है, a negative integer is multiplied by another negative integer. A negative integer question number 2. negative integer is multiply another negative integer. Let us suppose -2 and -4. It's multiplied. We get +8 because this is the first rules of multiplication of integer. When multiply two integer have same sign, the product of the number will be positive sign. Okay, so answer is positive. Now the next part, a positive integer is multiplied by negative integer. A positive integer is multiplied by negative integer. Then what will we get? Let us suppose that 2 is positive and 3 is negative. When multiplied, -6 plus minus minus. This is the second rules of multiplication of integer. When multiplying two integer having the opposite sign, this is a positive and this is negative, the product of number will have negative sign. Okay, so answer will be negative. Question number 6, 7, 8 and all of which part left is question. You have to do it in homework. Okay. Okay children, tomorrow we'll meet again. We'll a new topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.